The purpose of this video is to help you to factorize quadratic expressions when the coefficient of x squared, that's this number, is not 1. So just to remind you of the method that we used in lesson, we said that we would multiply this number by this number. So 2 times 15 equals 30. So then we write down the factors of 30. So 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 5 times 6, and by going in order like this, I know I've picked up all the factors. Then we say, right, how could I create 13x using any one of these pairs of factors? Now you may notice that you could do 15 take away 2. However, that wouldn't work because when you start multiplying things out, you can see we've got some 2 positives here, so it wouldn't be right to have any negatives in our brackets. So instead, we're going to use 3 and 10. So I'm going to split this up now. So I'm going to rewrite the line, but I'm splitting 13x into 10x and 3x, like this. And now I'm going to factorize this part using a single bracket. So factorize fully. 2 is a factor of 2x squared and 10x. And x is also a factor of those two expressions, sorry, those two terms there. So then we would get, right, what do I need to multiply 2x by to get the 2x squared? Well, the answer there is x. And what would I multiply 2x by to get 10x? And that would be 5. And then we move on and we look at this. And here we just have that 3 is a common factor. And then what we can do at that point is we notice that x plus 5 is a common factor in both parts here. So we can say that equals x plus 5 multiplied by, and then 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3. And the beauty of this kind of question is that in your exam, you can actually go through and check your answers by just multiplying out the brackets. So just check that this would give us the question in the first place. So x times x is 2x squared. And just check here. Then we've got that x times 3 is plus 3x. That's 10x. And that is 15. And when you simplify the 3x and the 10x, you get back to what we had here. So you can be confident that you've got all of your marks in that particular question. So here are 3 questions that I would like you to have a go at, please. Can you try and factorize these quadratic expressions?